In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trim a 3D object in AutoCAD. If you've ever found yourself puzzled by how to modify your 3D models precisely, this tutorial is just for you. Trimming a 3D object can be essential in refining and perfecting your designs, allowing you to slice through objects with accuracy and ease. So, let's dive right into this process. We'll start by aligning your view to the axis from which you want to trim off. This is a crucial first step because having the correct view offers you a clear perspective on the parts of the object you need to modify. For this demonstration, we'll be utilizing the top view as our vantage point. From this view, you'll be able to see precisely how the trim will affect your 3D object, making it easier to ensure you're cutting along the desired plane. Once your view is set, you'll want to turn your attention to the command line. Here, you'll need to type the word slice. This command is what allows us to interactively cut through the 3D object, giving us the flexibility to modify its structure as needed. After entering this command, the interface will prompt you to select the object that you wish to slice. Go ahead and click on the object. This selection is key as it tells AutoCAD which piece of your model will undergo modification. Next, to define the slice plane, you'll be setting 2 points that will act as the limits for your cut. You'll want to carefully click on your first point for the slice plane, considering it as the starting edge of your cut. Following that, select the second point which will establish the ending edge. This step requires precision, so take your time to ensure that these points are set exactly where you want them, guiding the slice plane through the correct path. Finally, once your slice plane's boundaries are firmly established, simply press the Enter key. And just like that, your 3D object has been trimmed. This streamlined approach offers a powerful way to remove unwanted sections of your 3D model, making the process simple and efficient. There you have it. By properly aligning your view, utilizing the slice command, and defining your slice plane with 2 accurate points, you've successfully trimmed your 3D object in AutoCAD. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with different views and objects to truly master the skill. Thank you for joining us today, and stay tuned for more helpful AutoCAD tutorials to elevate your design capabilities.